Yo, what going? Alright, this is your boy, BlakeWrTv, and today I don't feel like cook, so I decided to just get some pizza. So this one is like a vegetable pizza with mushroom, sweet pepper, cheese, and you know the works on it. And the other one over here, see, I already started eating because I was hungry. I just came home from work, so I feel like, I'm gonna eat some pizza. This one is just pepperoni and I guess that little seasoned stuff they put on top with cheese, and that's it. Easy toppings. So pepperoni and cheese and mushroom and pepper. Yeah, guys, you know what time it is. It's Domino's. We're playing some Domino's in the kitchen, and I'm gonna go ahead and get me something to drink. You see, I already take out 3 and 2, 2 from here, 2 slices, 3 slices over here. So yeah, hungry. So I need to get me a glass and get me something to drink. Okay, guys, I got a glass Bacardi Heart spicy rum, and it's now I got some ice. But guess what? Where is the Bacardi? Where's the drink? All right, let's see if I can find the stash. I know they hide somewhere around here. Shoot, that's where they at. Hiding up here. Okay, we got some pineapple. We got some pineapple right here. Who wouldn't like pineapple? To try the pineapple. Or maybe we should try coconut. It's coconut. Or something hidden all the way in the back. I'm gonna try to figure what that is. Oh no, that's the mango. That's the Bacardi mango. And this, what is this? This is Sangria. Sangria. What is Sangria again? Family Vineyard. I guess it's a wine. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the mango in there, because I'm gonna try either the pineapple or the coconut. Which one do you think I should try? Do you think I should try the pineapple Bacardi or the coconut mixed with some chaser from the Sangria Soda Home? I think I'm gonna just try them separately, and then if they taste good, I may go ahead and mix them and build some type of concoction, some type of thing, you know what I mean? Some type of genie in the bottle stuff. So let me go ahead and put ice in there, and I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the fridge. And I'm talking about this fridge is stocked. I can't find a place to put anything. We got meat in here, ice cream. Damn, we must be having an ice cream fest. Look at all these ice cream. Vanilla, pistachio, and this one is what? Berry vanilla. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what that is. Yeah, but that thing is full. Okay, guys, I got all 3 of them open at this time. First, got my ice on the rock. I'm gonna go ahead and try the pineapple Bacardi first. So let's pour some in here, and I'm just gonna taste it just like this. See what it tastes like. All right. It's kind of sweet. So let's add a little bit of this on it. Sandra, oh my gosh, I can feel that thing walking through me. That thing is strong. Let me see the alcohol content on this thing. Where it is? Oh man, why they always hide the alcohol content? Oh, here it is. Here it is, guy. 35% alcohol. So yeah, that joint gonna knock out you real quick if you keep messing with too much of it. So remember, always drink responsibly. Don't drink when you're on the street, guys. Remember to drink when you're at home. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna pour a little bit of sangria in it. Let's give it a little red wine taste. And let's try this thing. Okay, it still have the sweet pineapple taste to it, but it's also have a little bit of that sangria or whatever it is. It tastes like fruits. I guess that strawberry and orange flavor mix into it. Now I mean it just tastes. It tastes real sweet. So if you're into sweet stuff, you know Sutter Home's gonna be having some sweet stuff from that vineyard. Yeah, so we have the pineapple Bacardi and the coconut. I haven't tried the coconut yet, but I'm tempted to try it. I don't feel like I want to mix too much stuff in this thing, because if I put too much different flavor in there, I don't want to have the ramification of the after effects. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so I'm gonna play it safe and just go ahead and just roll with the sangria along with the pineapple. And later on, see guys, my pizza's still hanging around. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody to eat them. You know what I mean? I know some people want to dig in right now, but I guess they're gonna be probably doing some leftover thing for tomorrow, because I'm full. As you can see, I already bounced out 5 slices, and that's a lot. So I'm gonna play it safe and just enjoy my Bacardi, and I'm about to go see me a movie on Netflix. See what's popping. Yo, what's up? You know it is, you know what I mean? It's Chef Blake in the house. Alright guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about some common problem where most of us hard-working American, people around the world in other countries as well. I think all the work class people face this. I mean, all the lower class people, the hard-working people who have family, paying bills, paying car notes, you know what I mean, trying to take care of the home. You know what I'm talking about, the hard-working mothers and fathers and grandmothers and grandpa who still working even though they are over 65 years old. They still push on because if you stop work, you got to pay them bills. Them bills never stop coming in the mail. And it's sad to say that when you reach 65 years old, you can't retire, because retirement now, I believe they put it from 65, now they got it like 67 and a half. You know what I mean? So what this Social Security system is doing is basically trying to push people to almost kicking the bucket before they decided to give the people them their little benefit. I mean, all your life you've been working, been paying unemployment. You get old, you got your grandkids. Some of us even got our grandkids having their kids, and we are still working. So I'm saying, just imagine you have your kids have their kids, and now you have your grandkids, and then your grandkids have their kids, and now you have your great. Am I saying that right? You have your great grandkids, and yet still you're still doing 9 to 5, guys. You wanna know why? Because a lot of us is going through the same predicament. Because we didn't start plan early. We didn't plan for the unexpected, okay? See, we can't depend on the government system. We can't depend upon Social Security. We can't depend on our 401k only. We got to take our finance illiteracy in our own end at an early stage in our life. So I'm saying, I believe you should start become financial literate at an early age. The younger is the better. Start learning about saving, guys. You got to save. If you work $500 in a week, consider it $400. Why should you consider it $400? Because $100 should go towards a CD account. We can grow some dividends, some interest. $100 should go towards saving, okay? You should not work and spend all your money. You should not, guys. You should save your money, no matter how small it is. So I know some of you guys would say, the money I'm working is not enough. It's small. I'm only getting like $16 an hour. I'm working at this job. They're not giving me any raise. And if they do raise me like 50-cent raise for the whole year, you know what I mean? Just imagine you working for a company for a whole year, and at the end of the year, they do your performance evaluation, and then they add 25-cent to 50-cent raise. Because most of us get 50-cent raise, and some people don't get any. You know what I mean? So you may say, well, I'm working $15-16 an hour. What am I gonna do with that when my rent or mortgage is so high? You know what I mean? For single parents, it's even tougher. So I'm saying, so here how you do it, guys. Here you do it. First, you wanna put all your bills. You wanna put your rent or your mortgage. You wanna write that down, how much you pay per month. You wanna write down all your other utility bills, and then you wanna add them up. Okay, you wanna add up all your bills and see how much bills you gotta pay. And then you wanna add up how much money you make per month, not per week, not by week. You wanna add up how much money you make per month. And what you wanna do next, you wanna subtract from your monthly income your net pay, not your gross pay. You know, in your gross pay, we haven't paid Uncle Sam yet. You got to pay Uncle Sam his tax. So after your net pay, you want to go ahead and subtract all your expense out of that. Okay. So let's say, for instance, you make $2,000 a month. Okay, $2,000 a month, and your expense is like $1,500. Okay, are we talking about rent? We're talking about all the utility bill, maybe even some grocery and stuff. Maybe you got like $500 left. That's your $500. Now this $500 you can take and go. You can go to Foot Locker. You can get one of them Jordan. You can get one of them expensive pocketbook or whatever. You know what I mean? But now you have $500 left. It's not a lot. It's a little bit. And trust me, I'm talking about people who's in a low income bracket. Okay, because these are the people who suffer the most, trying to get from paycheck to paycheck. We shouldn't be living from paycheck to paycheck, guys. We should be able to have some stability and control over that type of condition. You know what I mean? Because a lot of us is in it right now as I'm speaking. And here you do it. After you pay all your major bills, your utility bills, you got $500 left. Okay. Out of that $500, you must make sure that you make a commitment to take out at least $150, $200 out of it. You know what I mean? And put in an account to save. Make that an automatic saving. Okay. Don't control how you save that. You know what I mean? Set it automatically. Don't manually. I think my battery's low. I may need to plug this thing in. Okay, don't manually take that money out yourself and then bring it to the bank. Set it up with the bank so when you get paid, that money automatically come out your account, and that money automatically goes in that saving account. Okay, and lock it. Have it locked by the bank. That way you don't have control over go drawing it. Make sure you lock it in an account where there's a penalty to touch it, and you want to set like a long-term interval where that lock will be have that grace period where you can go in and make changes or maybe withdraw some money out of it, because this money is like saving for rainy day. You see what I'm saying? Anything can happen to you. You can have emergency, something could happen in your life and you need that cash and you don't have it. You got to save, guys.